Hi guys, today we have the JBL GO 2, we've got the JBL GO 3, and we've got the Bose SoundLink Micro speaker in the building. We're going to do a speed test? No, we're going to do a sound test between these three speakers. And if you're coming from a GO 2, you're most likely looking at a GO 3 or something a bit nicer. But that is quite a bit more. All the links will be down below in the video description if you want to check out any of these speakers on amazon.co.uk or .com. So yeah, go check that out below. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on notifications while you're there. Like this video, obviously, if you like what you saw and heard. That didn't really work. Yeah, put down a comment down below what you think about the sound quality on the JBL and the Bose. So let's get right into this. Let me just adjust the camera quickly because it keeps on moving for some odd reason. Okay, got them on the AirPlay with an iPhone 8 right there. It's on 50%. We're going to start off with the JBL GO 2. Right there. 50%.
Say I wouldn't
50% JBL GO 3. It's quite a bit louder.
story of our lives, the best of times through color glass. Goes on,
Bose Micro.
let me move on past, but every little now and then it creeps on back to shade my smile.
Let's go from the GO 2 to the Bose. Let's see how that sounds. Give it a sec. Yeah, that sounds quite a bit better. GO 2. GO 3. Bose. Okay, let's go to the GO 2 again. 75%-ish.
Was wrong to say I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause in the story of our lives, the best of times through color glass. Time goes on enough to let me move on past, but every little now and then it creeps on back to shade my smile.
Wow. Okay, that was on 75%, and you could clearly hear the difference there between the bass, especially when you went from the GO 2 to the Bose SoundLink. I'm just going to call it the Micro. Okay, I'm just going to call that the 3, the 2, and the Micro. So when you go from the 2 to the Micro, the bass is like quite a big difference, as you can see. But you expect that for the price, I guess. But it's nice to know the difference in quality from there to there. And when you go from the 2 to the 3, it's quite a bit better. So if you got rid of this out of the equation and you just put these two together, and you were going to get this one, because you don't want to spend like £100 on this. which is understandable. What you would do is, what I mean is, this sounds like a lot better, like quite a bit better than this. So this is still a very, very good upgrade, and I still recommend this. But if you want to go all out, right, and you want to put this thing in there, oh, that sounds amazing. This is like 4 times better bass than this. Like, I'm being like honest, because like I'm really shocked at the difference. I didn't expect it to be this good. So this sounds way better than this, and this sounds quite a bit better than this Go 2. So I was kind of like, what the hell is going on with this? How is Bose making this incredible sound, like, out of this? Yeah, I peeled the back off because I'm an idiot. And you can't put it back on unless you reapply some glue or something, because it's not sticky anymore. So, actually, do you know what? I've got that. 1 second. Okay, guys, I'm back. Yeah, this is the, I decided to take this off because I'm a moron. I don't know why. It doesn't affect the water resistance or anything, but it just goes underneath this Bose, thing here, like that, and you just pop it on. You could double-side sellotape it on or whatever. But, yeah, because I'm stupid. And also you get a little clip on here, which is nice. FYI, it does actually fit over a motorbike handle, this. If you stretch it far enough, it does fit. I don't recommend it because mine nearly fell off my motorbike when I was doing 50 miles an hour. But, you know, that's okay, I guess. It still works. It definitely goes over motorbike handles or any other handlebar. But personally, this sounds best when you've got it in the bottom of the bath. I'm not even joking. It really does. Okay, so let me just play that song again, and let's just whack it on 100%, and let's just go all out on these speakers and see which one distorts, which one sounds the best. Let's get going. JBL GO 2 Max.
I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause in the story of our lives, the best of times through colored glass. Time goes on enough to let me move on past, but every little now and then.
Yeah, I have to say, that's a feature of the JBL GO 3. It decides to vibrate across the table for some weird reason. Probably because it's got so much power going into it and it's not heavy enough to stay still. So yeah.
Was wrong to say I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause in the story of our lives, the best of times through colored glass. Time goes on enough to let me move on past, but every little now and then it creeps on back to shade my smile.
Okay guys, that's all for this video. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on notifications, and like, obviously, because this is a pretty good comparison with sound qualities. Like, comment down below what you thought about the sound. Personally, I thought that this sounded better with the vocals, and this sounded okay, but not compared to this, because like these two were just smashing that. But overall, like, they're around the same volume, but this one is, if you got a vocal kind of song, this one's the loudest because the vocals are very up and very bright in your face kind of thing. and it's a very warm tone. This is kind of like a cooler tone, but you get a nice, richer like bass than this. And this one is kind of like wishy-washy out of the two kind of thing. It's not very good with... Well, I suppose it's good with vocals, but that's pretty much it. So that's all for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.